Welcome friends, this is Shobha from CNS and we have with us today a commercial pilot, Antonio Joseph Inton, who is also the mayor of Hermosa, Bataan in Philippines. Welcome Antonio, and we are proud to see you flying instead of the helicopter, a more important helicopter of tobacco control. And we are here at the 4th summit of APCAT, the Asia Pacific City Alliances for Tobacco Control and NCD Prevention, the 4th summit of APCAT. Antonio, you have been part of this alliance for since when?
Since just last year.
Since last
in
year.
Singapore.
Okay, in Singapore you joined it. What spurred you to become part of it? Why?
Well, actually, as I've said in my pronouncement, I'm a commercial pilot, helicopter, and by accident, I am now the mayor.
Sorry, I want to interrupt. You are not by accident, but by God's design.
Maybe. Yes, Shobha.
Yes.
And then my boss, the governor of Bataan, chose me to be the mayor. And then after that, they are very robust in their campaign against anti-smoking. So I just followed the footsteps of the governor and the brothers, who's now the mayor of Balanga, and one brother, a member of the Philippine Parliament.
Okay. So can you share something with our listeners and viewers on some of the initiatives which have been taken, maybe during the last year and earlier, for tobacco control as well as NCD prevention, although they go hand in hand to a large extent?
Actually, I've divided the approach into two parts, the campaign into two parts. Number one is control, and number two is prevention. The first part is harder to control the existing smokers, which are old people, elder people. It's very hard to control them. And the next part is prevention. So that's easier for me. But the challenge with that is that you should be able to enter the hearts and the mind of the new generation, as we call the tobacco-free generation. So you have to interlink with them, intercommunicate with them, and so that's why we established the teen information centers.
Okay.
We started to build in every school and then in every community. The main purpose of the Teen Information Center is to address the problems that the youths are facing in their generation. That's the main purpose. And then in that program, we incorporate the tobacco-free generation agenda.
So that's very good, because most of the people who start using tobacco, I think that initiation age is not 30s or 40s. It is around 18 or so. When they are young, that is when
and
they start.
And start in their peers.
Yes.
For peer pressures.
Yes. And also, as you said, it's not easy to, because if you say no to a youngster, that youngster is going to do that. If you say no,
very hard, and especially in this generation with the internet and social media.
Yes. So you have to be very careful with that approach, as you said, that you have put in tobacco control in that teen information center part of it. So can you just tell once again the activities, some of the activities which are going on at the school level of our children?
Actually, in Hermosa, we have this youth organization. We have a youth leader. So I make sure that they are very active in this program. So we conduct healthy lifestyle activities such as fun run. And one of the most fun is the color fun run. When they are running, there have been showers of colors all around.
Showers of colors.
And it's very fun for teenagers. So I think with that activities, we were able to catch their hearts.
What about diet or anything to promote healthy diet? That is also said to be a best buy for NCT control. Anything, or you
Yes.
propose to do something? On
Now it's just smoking, but later on we will
yes.
move to other healthy lifestyle activities such as preventing the youths from drinking soft drinks, intake of sugar, something like that.
I've been to Manila earlier. I was just wondering because Philippines is a country which is beset or faces many natural disasters or weather
Yes.
conditions. Does that impact, or will that have an impact on tobacco control activities or prevention? Sometimes maybe if the health system breaks down, you're not able to reach people.
Well, in my municipality, actually, almost every year I have flooding
Okay.
in some parts.
Mm-hmm.
But our services is not discontinued by these disasters. So I think there's no connection
Between-
with our campaign and that
No
disasters.
connection. But maybe just when we are trying to treat diseases, maybe, or trying to treat NCDs, maybe there might be some disruption in health services because of the disaster.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have some disruptions, but
Something.
we'll make sure that
The
we are
prevention
always
part.
ready.
Right.
Our risk reduction management office is always ready to help these people.
So, how does this, how according to you, this action at local level, which some cities must be doing, or in Philippines, they must be part of this. How is it feeding into the country agenda or agenda at the country level and global level? Are your activities encouraging more and more cities to become part of the movement? Or
Yes. Actually, the brother of Mayor Francis, who is a member of the Parliament in the Philippines, we call it the House of Representatives, already talked with the mayor of Manila.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah,
So
they had
that's
a meeting just a few weeks ago to promote this
Alright.
campaign on
Okay.
tobacco control.
All right. So it's going from one city to another.
Yes. We have to influence other
Right.
leaders.
Right. What is your message for this fourth APCAT? And what is the way forward?
Well, we should continue working to have a very successful campaign. We should encourage other leaders to join us. Maybe we should have a campaign to increase our membership, so that if we work together, we can do a lot.
Okay. Thank you very much. Friends, we were in conversation with the mayor of Hermosa, Bataan in Philippines, Antonio Joseph Inton, who is also a commercial pilot, and I'm sure the helicopter of tobacco control is in safe hands there. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Shobha.
you. Thank you.